Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to create your CRA My Account step by step using the latest 2026 CRA portal. This account helps you access your tax returns, benefits, notices, and refunds online. What you can do in CRA My Account? With CRA My Account, you can view tax returns and notices of assessment, check refund and benefit status, update direct deposit and address, authorize a representative, view RRSP and TFSA limits. Step 1. Go to CRA website. First, open your browser and search for CRA My Account or go directly to the official Government of Canada website. Always make sure the website ends with canada.ca to stay safe. Never use links from emails or texts. Step 2. Select CRA My Account. Click on Sign in to your CRA account. Choose Register for a CRA account. Step 3. Choose how to register. Scroll down this page and you will see Register Now in green button. Click on that. You see 3 options here. Option 1. CRA User ID. Creating a new ID and password. Option 2. Sign in partner. Using your online banking. Option 3. Register using your provincial partner. In this video, we'll show the CRA User ID method, which works for everyone. Step 4. Enter basic details and tax information. Now enter your basic details. Your social insurance number. Date of birth. Make sure the information exactly matches CRA records. User-friendly warning. If anything doesn't match, the registration may fail. Next, CRA will ask for information from your last tax return, such as an amount from a specific line number. This helps CRA confirm your identity. Tip: if you haven't filed taxes before, you'll need to file at least once before creating this account. CRA provides 2 verification options. Using identity document. Using security code which CRA sends you via mail, and this is usually mailed within 10 business days. You can select either one, but for simplicity, we have selected option 2 here. Next, enter your postal code and then click on Next. Step 6. Create user ID and password. Now create your CRA user ID and a strong password. Use a mix of capital letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols as given in the checklist. Security tip: never share your CRA password with anyone. Step 7. Security questions. Set up your security questions and click on Next. Then review the security questions and answers and select Next. Next page, read all the terms and conditions. Then it has your user ID and then type in your password. Then select I agree. Next, it shows the enrollment options for multi-factor authentication. Using app or telephone or passcode grid. Telephone is the easiest option. Select and then click on Next. They will ask you to enter and confirm the telephone number you want to use. Select the language of preference. Then Next. Then they want the confirmation with the code they have sent. You can choose between text or call and then enter the code you received on your telephone number. For one-time passcode preference, choose Do Not Ask to make it easier for yourself. Then Next. Step 8. CRA Security Code. Once registration is complete, CRA will mail you a one-time security code to your home address. This usually arrives within 10 business days. Important clarification: you can log in right away with limited access, but full access starts only after entering this code. Step 9. Enter security code. After receiving the letter, log back in and enter the security code to unlock full access. Select Next. It shows terms and conditions page. You may go through everything if you want to, or then select I agree. We are almost done, and here it shows your CRA account. Select that. Next, choose Sign Me Up button. Then add your email address. Adding email helps you receive alerts when something changes in your account, but CRA will never email you links. And then we are done creating an account. Click on your name at the top right and select View All Accounts, and you see Enter the Security Code button there. You will enter that code once you receive it. You can exit and then try logging in using the credentials. And that's how you create your CRA My Account in 2026.
If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tax and CRA guides. Knowledge is power. See you in the next video.